Hi, I'm Sean McBride. We're at Revival Freeride Skate Shop here in Ogden, Utah. Today we're going to learn about some cool and easy skateboard tricks. One trick that's really cool and it's